Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's EVS class? Yes, in today's EVS class, we are going to write the book back exercise of the lesson Rules for Safety, lesson number 12. Take out your book, children. Yes, before getting into the book bags, we will read the lesson once again. Yes, read along with me, children. There are rules that we must follow our safety. We must follow these rules at home and outside. If we do not follow these rules, we can hurt ourselves and others. At home, do not play with fire. If you have to light a match or a candle, ask a grown up to help you. We must not play with sharp things like knife and scissors. We should always sharpen our pencil with a sharpener and not with a knife or a blade. We must not put our fingers into an open socket. We could get a bad shock. Outside home, we must look to the right and then left and then right again before we cross the road. We must not run or play on the road. We must always walk on the footpath and not on the road. We must never get onto a moving bus or get down from a moving bus. We must not lean out or put our hands out of a moving bus, car, or train. Yes, did you all read along with me? Did you read everything at your home? Are you all reading it? Yes. If you read, it will be easy for you to improve. Okay? If you are not reading, I cannot do anything. You have to read. Okay? If you read only, you will know to know the more and more new words. Okay, children? Yes. Now take out your pencil. Sharp your pencil, children. With what you have to sharpen your pencil? With your sharpener. Very good. Sharp your pencil with your sharpener. Put today's date here. Put today's date, children. Yes. Can we do the book back exercise? Mark the sentence as true or not true. If it is true, we will tick. If it is not true, we will put into. Okay? Yes. We must run across the road. You should run across the road. Yes or no? We must lean out of a moving bus. You should not lean into wrong. We should sharpen our pencil with a blade or a knife. No, we should sharpen our pencil with our what we should sharp? I told you just now. Sharpener. Yes, this is also wrong. We must not play with fire. Yes, we should not play with fire. We should get the help from the elders. Okay. We must cross the road at a zebra crossing. We must cross the road at a zebra crossing. Yes, we have to cross at the zebra crossing. So, first one is wrong, second one is wrong, third one is wrong, fourth and fifth one is correct. Okay, children? Did you all write it? Yes. When I am reading the sentence, try to read along with me. Okay, children? Listen to the words and try to read along with me. Okay? It will help you to read. Okay? You should develop reading habit. Okay? Yes. Next. Tick the correct word. Tick the correct word. Okay? We must dash follow rules for our safety. When we have to follow always or sometimes, we must always follow the rules. So put a tick on always. We must always we should light a match dash the help of a grown up. With or without the help of the grown up. With whose help? We have to do it with the help, right? Yes. Put tick on the with. We should light a match with the help of a grown up. Next one, we can play with the dash, toy or pair of scissors. With what you will play? Pair of scissors? No, you will play with your toy. Put tick on the toy. We must cross the road at traffic signal or zebra crossing. Where will you cross the road? Zebra crossing. Yes. We must cross the road at a zebra crossing. Next, fifth one, we should wait for the bus to dash before we get onto it. So we must wait. We must wait for the bus to stop. The bus has to stop, then only you can get into the bus. So stop. Yes. First one always. Second one with. Third one toy. Fourth one zebra crossing. Fifth one stop. Okay, children. Can we read the sentence now with the correct answer? Read along with me. We must always the help of a grown-up. We can play with a toy. We must cross the road at a zebra crossing. We should wait for the bus to stop before we get onto it. Okay, children? Did you all write it? Did you all take the correct answer? Very good. Now, look at the picture and talk about what you should not do. Okay, you are going to tell what you should not do by seeing the picture. What we should not do? We should not run, correct? We should not run, okay? Then see, he is bursting crackers in the middle of the road. We should not do that. Dogs will get afraid, right? Yes, you should not burst crackers in middle of the road, okay? And you should not cross when there is a red signal. See, it is red in color and the bike is going. So you should not go when there is a red signal. Okay? Yes. So these are the things that we should not do. What we should do? See, they are walking on the footpath and he is crossing on the zebra crossing. So these are the good things that we have to do. Okay, children? Yes. Next. Fill in the blanks with the word from the help of the box. Okay? Yes. We must walk on the what we must walk on? Where we have TH. We must walk on the footpath. Next, a dash is a sharp thing. A dash is a sharp thing. What is a sharp thing? A knife. Knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. How will you pronounce? Knife. K is silent here. Okay? Knife. Next, third one. When you want to light a candle, take the help of a whom you have to take? Grown up. G-R-O-W-N-U-P. Grown up. Yes. Next, fourth one. We must not get onto a dash bus. Moving bus. M-O-V-I-N-G. Moving bus. Last one. We must not dash on the road. We must not play on the road. Yes. So did you all write it? Once again, first one, we must walk on the footpath. Second one, a knife is a sharp thing. Third one, when you want to light a candle, take the help of a grown up. Fourth one, we must not get onto a moving bus. Fifth one, very good. In next class, I will give you the notes for this lesson. We will write the hard words, question and answers and everything for this lesson in the next class. Okay, children? Until then, be safe at home and enjoy. Thank you. Sai